Hello, good morning. So welcome to my page. Most of our followers have complained that our videos are too long. We should make it much shorter and entertaining and what interactive. So we'll be taking this particular class using what tab. So how do we now do this? Very simple. So we're having a question here which is find the engine values and the engine vectors for this particular what matrices. This particular matrix which is simply equals to what? We have the matrix as this. That's A is simply equals to, let's change this up. We have it as A to be simply equals to 4, 1. We have it as 4, 1. Then 2, 3. And we're asked to find the engine values and the engine vectors. How do you find the engine? We'll find the engine values in this particular video. And in the next video above, that's going to give the engine vectors. So how do you find the engine value for this? You have to know the formula that connects your what? Your aliasing matrix, your engine value, and your what? Your A, which is what the matrix is given to you. So the formula is simply that the determinant, you have it as debts. The determinant of what? A minus lambda I is simply equals to 0. That simply means when you subtract your lambda I minus from A, and you take determinant and having 0, that simply means your lambda there, which is your engine values, is the correct what answer. Take note. What's your I? Your I is called the identity matrix or your unity matrix or unit matrix. That simply means your I is simply equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 because this is a 2 by 2 matrix. How do you get all this? Now let's go and subtract this. That simply means we have our A as 4, 1, A at 4, 1, then 2, 3. By the time you multiply the what? The engine value multiplied by the identity matrix, you have simply have it as what? Lambda times 1 because identity matrix, let's have it here. Your identity matrix is simply 1, 0, and 0, 1. Don't forget this because it's going to be like when you take the what's it called? The determinant of this particular identity matrix, you have it what? 1. So that simply means lambda times 1 will be simply giving us what? Minus. We have lambda here. Lambda times 1 is going to give us lambda. Times 0, you have 0. Lambda times 0, you have what? 0 here. And lambda times 1, you have what? Lambda here. So after you have gotten this, now let's go and subtract to know the answer for this. By the time we subtract, we can remember our equal sign here. By the time we subtract this, we simply get it as 4 minus lambda. We have 4 minus lambda. Another one is what? 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 is going to give us 1. And 2 minus 0, you have 2. And 3 minus lambda, you have 3 minus lambda here. And this is your answer for this particular subtraction. Now we now take determinant. When we take determinant, we must have what? 0. In order for you to find the what? Engine value. Very, very simple. That's simply you have it as what? Take determinant, that's going to give us 4 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda. Don't forget, when you're taking your subtraction to the other side, it's going to be minus. That means 2 times 1 is going to give us minus 2. Is simply equals to what? 0. This when you're taking the determinant of the particular matrix. Now, what do we now have? 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. So we have 12. Okay, let's open the bracket directly because this is a tutorial. I don't want it to be a little bit confusing. So we have 4 into 3 minus lambda. Let's be fast on this. Then minus lambda into 3 minus lambda. Then minus 2 is simply equals to what? 0. So by the time you do this, you have 4 minus 3 is going to give us what? Let's reduce it a little bit. So we have 4 minus 3 to give us what? 12. So we're having 12 minus 4 lambda, then minus 3 lambda, then plus, don't forget, minus 9 lambda times minus lambda is going to give us what? Plus lambda square. We have plus lambda square. Then minus 2 is simply equals to what? 0. So let's now make it like compress it and make it a quadratic formula. So you simply have it what? Lambda square minus 7 lambda. We have it as minus 7 lambda. Then 12 minus 2 is going to give us what? Plus 10. Plus 10 is simply equals to what? 0. So two numbers when you multiply, you have plus 10, and when you add, you have minus 7. That's simply what? Minus 5 and minus 2. So you have it as lambda square minus 5 lambda, then minus 2 lambda, then plus 10 is simply equals to what? 0. So when you now do the factorize, you have simply have it as lambda into lambda minus 5, then minus 2 into what? Lambda minus 5 is simply equals to 0. So by the time you do this, you have it as lambda minus 2 and what? Lambda minus 5. Lambda minus 5 is simply equals to 0. That simply means from here, that means lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. And lambda minus 5 is simply equals to 0. That gives us our lambda to be simply equals to what? 2, or lambda to give us what? 5 from the other equation here. So this is a simple concept to find this particular answer. So your lambda is equals to 2 and your lambda is simply equals to 5. These are the engine values for this particular question. Thank you. One love. I'll see you next one. Bye.